Did you do nothing today? Just looked at your phone and the day is over. Same room, same thoughts, same pain. Nothing changed. Why? Because you did nothing. Failure hurts, but it can feel easy. If you fail, you don't need to try again. You can say, I'm just not good enough. And then you stop. You stop trying. You stop moving. You stop dreaming. But laziness is not a sickness. It's a habit. Are you failing because you can't? Or can't you because you never tried? People say, even if I start, nothing will change. It doesn't matter. But that is a big lie. You can change more than you think. But if you don't start, nothing changes. Let me tell you 3 stories. Each one starts very small. A young man, working at a store. He says nothing all day. He makes 1.5 million a month. One day he draws on the back of a receipt. Just 10 seconds. Later he draws 10 minutes after work. He posts online. One comment says, "This is cool." That one comment, it made him feel seen. A mom cries every morning. She feels nothing. One day, she writes one word on the mirror. Sad. Next day, lonely. Then, tired. One word. Every day. 100 days later, she can talk about her feelings. And she can hug her child again. A young man plays games all night. One day he turns off the computer. He sees the morning. Feels strange. He starts walking. 1 hour. Every day. He sees the seasons change. After 2 months, he thinks, this hour is not a waste. Now he starts to wonder, what is my future? We want big change. But change comes from small things. Try this. Change your alarm name to, why am I alive? Write 1 sentence before bed. Drink 1 glass of water in the morning. Open the window. Look at the sky. Breathe for 1 minute. Just breathe. These things are small. But your life is made of small things. You are not a failure. You are just paused. If you stop, you can walk again. You only need 1 minute of courage. Don't make a big decision. Just move for 1 minute. Today. That is what it means to start small. And one day, that small start can change your whole life. Failure feels easy, so we stay there. But if you start small, your feelings change. When your feelings change, your life begins to move. Today. Just 1 minute. Start small.